way up to 146 at the state offices. Southbound pretty heavy as you get from Smithfield out to the 610. And then looking at, 146, a little bit slow by Admiral Street. Nothing out of the ordinary, though. I'm Dan Mazzella, and that's a look at your southern New England traffic.
Got issues with youth or high school sports? Positive Coaching Alliance can help. PCA, a national nonprofit, offers more than 1,000 free online resources for youth and high school sports coaches, parents, students, and administrators. Visit pcadevzone.org.
This is Ron St. Pierre. Coming up Wednesday morning at 5, we'll have an update on the COVID-19 stimulus talks. With early voting passing 30 million, can Thursday's presidential debate really make a big difference with less than 2 weeks to go before the election? I'll give you 2 more chances to win $1,000 and tell you how you can actually ask for a raise in the middle of a pandemic. Rhode Island's news, traffic, and weather starts Wednesday morning at 5 on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Log on to Wicked Dash Deals right now and sign up for our early alert email club. Be the first to know about upcoming deals and secret promo codes only available to wicked-deals.com email club members. Now you can print gift certificates on demand, so no waiting. Buy, save, print, and go. Discounted gift certificates to restaurants, spas, concerts, attractions, and more. Join the thousands who already know the best place to get the best deals in Southern New England. The Wicked Dash Deals Early Alert Email Club. Sign up at wicked-deals.com.
Hey, Rhode Rams basketball fans, join me, Steve McDonald, and Coach David Cox on News Radio 920 AM and 104.7 FM this Wednesday from 6 until 7 for the Dave Cox Radio Show, as Coach Cox shares all the exciting news of the upcoming season for URI men's basketball.
Hi, this is Jay Farner, CEO of Rocket Mortgage. Making the right financial decisions has never been more important. We can help guide you to those right decisions now when they matter most. Mortgage rates are near historic lows, so when you call 8...
I would have started him
20. It's going to be a...
Okay.
in Texas.
which could give you the boost that you're looking for. In addition, we may be able to help you refinance with little or no out-of-pocket costs. At Rocket Mortgage, we're committed to every client, every time, no exceptions, no excuses, giving you the best mortgage experience. Call us today at